Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for this video because it's a skincare product review, and I love to talk about skincare products and skincare, and all of that is my jam. That being said, let's start this video. Okay, so first I'm gonna talk about that why you should use a retinol serum. This product, the retinol serum that I bought is from La Roche-Posay. Oh god, this brand's name is such a tongue twister. La Roche-Posay. So firstly, why you should use this product. It looks like this. It's a concentrated, sorry about that, it's a concentrated retinol serum with the vitamin B3. Okay, and let me just show you quickly how it really looks. That's my hair. Sorry, my hair is always everywhere. Anyways, so yeah, if you see, that's how it looks. And this, I wouldn't say that it is odorless. It does have some kind of odor. It is very but very mild. Okay, so yeah, so coming back to why you should use a retinol serum. Firstly, if you want to have a firm skin, so you should have a serum which has retinol in it. Okay, so why you should use it? Because not because you're getting wrinkles and all. I think you should use it before you can see any wrinkles on your face. I think अगर आपको already wrinkles दिखना start हो चुके हैं, then I wouldn't say like it's not gonna work. It's just like it's kind of late for you to start taking care of your skin. इसीलिए मैं जिनको like people who are in their 30s like me, they should start using this serum, you know, because it's better to take care, like I said, it's better to take care of your skin before it starts showing signs of damage. Okay, so please, that's the reason why you should have a retinol serum. Number 2 is like when you should use this serum. So the best time to use this serum would be at night time, guys. Point number 3 is like how to use it. Okay, so you don't have to take a lot of this. Just I take 3 drops of this serum and I mix it with another serum that I have, that is of hyaluronic acid. Let me show you guys. Okay, so that's the serum that I use, which I mix. So I mix these two. I take a pump of this and the retinol and mix it and then apply it all over my face. Okay, इसको mix करने से कोई problem नहीं होगी. I had confirmed it with the girl who was selling it. So ये 2 serums to mix hyaluronic and retinol is safe. What is not safe is to mix retinol with vitamin C. So if you are using a serum in the night which has a vitamin C in it, generally vitamin C products are for daytime, but if you're using some kind of moisturizing cream or something that has vitamin C in it, then do not mix it with retinol. It is going to dry up all your skin and it is going to be very bad for your skin, so do not do that. Okay, to the last part of this video, that is the price of this serum. Okay, so retinol serums are generally expensive, as we all know. Like any good serum that you use of serum, if you take vitamin C serum, if you take hyaluronic acid serum, any good serum is going to be expensive. You have to put in the money, and it is dermatologically tested, so it is safe for your skin, guys. There are other brands like the one I was about to buy was from Olay, but I think that is not dermatologically tested, so which is not, you know, it doesn't guarantee a good effect on your skin. So look at these small things. Look at how, you know, how which is the brand that which is the brand that you're buying it from, and the concentration of the serum. You know, look at the few of the reviews. I trust this brand and I really wanted a serum from this particular brand, so I went for it. I loved it, and that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. So I hope this video was informative enough. I hope this video inspires you guys to take care of your skin and to invest in something for your skin, trust me, you're gonna thank yourself for doing that after years. So yes, go now and buy this for yourself. And if you do like it, please and if you do land up buying it, comment it down below and tell me if this was informative for you. And as always guys, I love you all. Please like and subscribe guys, and do write a comment down. I love listening to what you guys have to tell me. So yeah, that's all for today. I'll be back with the video really soon. And yeah, take care. Love you all. Bye.